Some migrants are in trouble because they are not getting cancellation email and they have specific biometric appointment, and now they are thinking they must go to Ima office or they must not go to Ima office. So nobody is guiding them. Some lawyers are telling you must go, some lawyers are telling you must not go. Now they are worried, and they are relying on YouTubers, they are relying on their friends, they are relying on only their own speculations, hypothetical statements, and they are confused because when they have to go to IMA specific office in coming days, some persons have tomorrow date, some persons have after tomorrow date. And what is the problem? Problem is that they have to go with all documents. So now they are confused that they are, in spite of preparing their documents, they are confused they must go or not, they should go or not. I will explain, and this clip is very necessary to record for those migrants. I will give my personal opinion. You can get opinion from other YouTubers and also immigration consultant as well. You can get your advice from lawyers as well. I think first of all, I think Ima is doing little bit negative thing here. If due to software issue, Ima is not able to send cancellation email, I can understand what is problem going on. I know this thing. They are not sending cancellation email to all affectees of migration cases, and I will explain in next clip why they are not sending and what's the actual problem going on. But they need to write something in their website. This is the severe mistake they are doing, and they must give right instruction for the people who are not receiving cancellation email and they have old biometric appointment according to own old chronic method, old method, and now they are worried because when you are going to IMA office, you are not going alone. You are going with documents, PCC, job contracts. So people took long time to prepare those documents. If they will be confused, how they will prepare the documents? If they will, if they, for example, if they have to go in that date. So now I'm telling my answer, my opinion. You must go. Please ignore all things, prepare your documents, and go at specific date as Ima gave you. And when Ima asked you that we are cancelling email and new biometric appointment we are giving, you straightforward tell them I did not receive cancellation email. So I have to attend your session at specific time because I did not receive cancellation email. Therefore, if cancellation email I will not receive, it means that my previous date of appointment is valid. Therefore, please go to the IMA at the date which you already have if you did not receive cancellation email.